Have you ever thought about getting into investing but felt overwhelmed by where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let us help you with your first steps into the world of investing. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. So what is investing? Simply put, investing is putting your money into assets like stocks, ETFs, or even crypto with the goal of growing it over time. And now, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. One secret tips: diversification. It means spreading your money across different types of assets to reduce risk. For example, you could invest in crypto for growth and ETFs for stability. D-ETf makes this incredibly easy with an easy-to-use all-in-one platform. The next step is to set realistic goals. Are you saving for a big purchase, planning for retirement, or just looking to grow your wealth? Knowing your goals will help you decide where and how to invest. Now let's talk about strategy. This is where you decide how you want to approach investing. There's no one-size-fits-all method, so it's important to choose a strategy that matches your goals, time, and risk tolerance. Most investors choose between dollar cost averaging, day trading, value investing, growth investing, and a simple buy and hold strategy. An in-depth explanation of all these strategies is available on our channel and website. Now it's time to choose a platform that fits your needs. You'll want one that's user-friendly, offers access to a wide range of investment products, and supports your journey as a beginner. D-ETf is hands down the best platform out there for new investors. It's built to help you diversify, offers 24/7 trading, and even has a live support team from 9 to 5 ready to answer your questions.